morning, I'm Mara Ammons. I'm here at SiteOne Landscape Supply to talk about creating movement in the landscape with ornamental grasses. Ornamental grasses, with their quiet beauty and their soft movement in the wind, add a sense of peacefulness to your yard and landscape. Perennial grasses overwinter really well with no special treatment. So some of these species will grow at a lower rate all winter long. Make sure that you consider your climate and conditions for all of these plants. In areas of the country with mild winters, some cool season grasses, like this blue fescue, are actually evergreen or semi-evergreen. Check out Portfolio's Blue Bayou Pampas grass. This grass is a dwarf compared to traditional pampas and makes graceful backdrop to smaller plantings. It produces an abundance of large creamy plumes in late summer, giving a striking contrast against its foliage. Plumes persist into winter, giving this plant longevity in the garden. So consider adding any of these ornamental grasses to the mix for your next installation. Make sure you check out SiteOne.com to find your local nursery branch. And use our app to see what we have available in your area. Go ahead and grab those plants, place your order, and swing by to pick them up yourself or have them delivered to your site.